In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now use this plus at the bottom in the middle to create a new one. First of all, set up an hour at the top. Then hit repeat and pick days of the week. To save them, choose OK. Following that, hit sound, choose vibration at the top and tap on none to disable it, standard, or hit one of those patterns. Go back, choose music on device, and pick any song from your smartphone as your new alarm sound by hitting the best one and going back. You can also select one of those sounds. Whatever you decided when you finished, go back and choose label to name your alarm however you wish to. Then OK to save its name. Now hit ring duration to decide how many minutes your alarm will ring if you don't react. Hit snooze duration to decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many minutes it will repeat by operating those two sliders, and hit OK. Now to save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To turn it off or on, use the switcher next to it and pick the best option for you from the pop-up. To edit it, click on it, make some changes and click on the same check mark. To get rid of it though, click on it again and this time choose the delete option at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!